Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Apple CarPlay on your Ford F150. First, let's cover some basic checks to get you started. Make sure your iPhone is compatible with CarPlay and that your USB cable isn't damaged. Also, verify CarPlay is enabled in your F150 settings. A quick restart of both your iPhone and the truck's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Next, let's address software and connection issues. Always ensure your iPhone's operating system is fully updated. Similarly, check for and install any available updates for your F150 sync system. Sometimes, simply forgetting the CarPlay connection on your iPhone and then reconnecting it can do the trick. Also, try using a different USB port in your truck. If the problem persists, we'll move to more advanced steps. Consider performing a factory reset on your F150 sync system, which can clear deeper software conflicts. On your iPhone, try disabling and then re-enabling Siri, as it's crucial for CarPlay functionality. Also, confirm there are no restrictions preventing CarPlay from working in your iPhone settings. Testing with another iPhone can help isolate the issue. Finally, if you've tried everything and CarPlay still isn't working, it might be time to seek professional help. Review your Ford F150 owner's manual for specific troubleshooting unique to your model. You can also contact Ford customer support for further guidance. If all else fails, a certified Ford service center can diagnose and repair potential hardware issues with your vehicle's infotainment system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.